In today's video, we're diving into Wix SEO settings and how to use them to rank higher in Google. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm going to walk you through it in simple steps. If search feels like a black box, don't worry. Wix now has tools that make the setup super clear, and once you know where everything lives, you can start showing up for the right searches. By the end, you'll know what the settings mean, which ones matter most, and the exact order to work through them, so your site has a real shot at page 1. Before we dive in, let's talk about what Wix SEO actually is. Wix SEO is essentially a set of tools inside your Wix dashboard and editor that helps Google understand your site. It includes an SEO setup checklist that acts like a guided to-do list. It gives you fields for titles and descriptions, controls for URLs, tools for image text, and options for site speed in mobile view. It can add structured data for things like products and events. It also connects to Google Search Console and Google Analytics, so you can actually see what people search for and how they move through your pages. You don't need to know any code to use any of this, and you can make real progress in a single afternoon. So now let's dive into some of the key features before we get into the walkthrough. The best place to start is the Wix SEO Setup Checklist. It asks you a few questions about your business and then builds a simple plan you can follow. This matters because it keeps you from missing key steps like connecting your domain, setting titles, and telling Google your site exists. Once you have a plan, the SEO Basics panel on each page will let you see the page title and the meta description. This is what people see in Google before they click. Clear titles and helpful descriptions raise your click-through rate, which tells Google your page is a good match. Wix also lets you set clean URLs and change them when you need to. Short, readable links help both people and search engines. If you ever rename a page, you can add a redirect so old links still work. Images are handled inside the editor. You can add alt text that describes each image in plain words. Alt text gives people who use screen readers and gives search engines extra context. Wix also includes site-wide tools for speed in mobile view, so you can turn on lazy loading, keep apps to what you need, and check your layout in the mobile view so buttons and text are easy to tap and read. If you sell to a local area, Wix also connects to Google Business Profile from the dashboard. This helps you show up on maps and in the local pack. You can keep your name, address, and phone number the same across your site and profiles as well. And finally, Wix connects with Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Search Console shows what searches bring people to your site and flags crawl issues. Analytics show how visitors move through your pages so you can fix weak spots. Now, to actually walk through all of this, if you want to create a free Wix account, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below that you can go ahead and click and follow along. Once you click that link, you'll just enter in your email address and then click Start Now, and then you can create an account. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just create a new site. We're going to set up without the chat, and we're just going to maybe just go with a blog for now. Okay, holistic skincare. Maybe we'll sell products, but promote myself, build a community, promote a business. Love it. Okay, so now we can choose some apps that we would like. We'll just continue with these for now. Let's just quickly pick a template. Let's do beauty. Love it. Let's go with this one. Edit this site just so we have one picked out. Now that we've picked a site, I always like to do that first. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I think that's the fun part, so I always go with that first. What you're going to want to do next is go ahead and connect a custom domain. You can either connect one that you already own, or you can go ahead and search for one. So Holistic Skincare Hub, you do have to purchase it or upgrade to a paid plan. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to Site and Mobile App, and then you'll go under Website and SEO, and GEO, and then we will go ahead and start the setup guide. This is what we're going to follow to get everything set up. What's the name of the business or brand? Beauty Hub. Okay, now where this business serve its customers. So this is either a physical address or e-commerce. So we're going to go ahead and choose e-commerce. Now, which keywords do you want to use in the site's checklist? Keywords are usually 2 to 5 words long, and this will help match your site with what the customers enter in search engines. They should describe your business and what it has to offer. Okay, we can even get keywords directly on here. So you can go ahead and connect either of these apps for best SEO SEO settings and keywords. You can find the best keywords to promote your site here. We'll go ahead and do Holistic Beauty Hub. So what we'll want to do now is go ahead and set the homepage's title for search results. So it says, how do you want to do it? Beauty Hub, Holistic Beauty Hub, or you can customize something. So let's go ahead and do their recommendation. Then we're going to add the homepage description for search results. Okay, now we're going to tell people how about this site. We'll go ahead and apply that. Then we're going to go ahead and add text to the homepage. So what we're going to want to do is make sure all of the text on the homepage is SEO friendly. So we'll go ahead and go to the editor. Now we're going to go ahead and optimize this for SEO. We can also use AI, which is really cool, and it will kind of update all of the wording so we have a starting point. You'll always want to, of course, update it and make sure it sounds good, but it's really just a great way to just get started. We'll save that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and allow indexing to make your homepage visible in search results. Again, we love that Wix just walks us through this step by step. We've already optimized site for mobile devices. Now you're going to want to connect a domain. So again, you will need to either pay for Wix or pay for the domain. All you'll do is click connect domain and it will prompt you to go ahead and purchase one. Then the last part of step 1 is to go ahead and connect to Google Search Console. Again, this is so potential customers can find your actual site when they're searching. So all you'll do is click connect now. You do have to have all of these like a domain first before you can do that. Step number 2 is you're going to optimize the site for search engines. So you'll want to add alt text to images. Essentially what this means is you're just adding text to describe what the actual image is. Again, it just gives Google even more information about your site so they can send it to the right people. Let's see, this is brush on a plate. And you can go ahead and apply that to all images. It's just enhancing it even more. Okay, and then you'll want to add links to the homepage as well. And it's already optimized because of the template that we chose. Like if you click on one of the links, it will take you to the next page. If you preview, these buttons actually have links in them, as you can see. Okay, you'll also want to set the privacy policy, which they already have one in there. You can go ahead and edit that if you would like. And then you want to add the privacy page's meta description for search results. So this helps potential visitors learn even more about your site already. We'll just go ahead and add that. We'll click apply. Okay, and then next you'll want to set the blog's page's titles for search results. It's already done since we chose the template. Then you want to add the blog page's meta descriptions for search results, add links to the blog. Again, you're doing this for pretty much everything in every page. And then lastly, step 3 is to just keep building on the site's SEO progress. So you can continue optimizing your site. You also can go to the SEO assistant and it will kind of make some recommendations for you, but you do have to upgrade. And then as you can see, the SEO setup checklist, you're 67% done. There's 4 issues, there's 2 recommendations and 8 completed tasks. So again, what I love about Wix is it just walks you through everything step by step. So the only thing we'd really have to do is go ahead and purchase a domain. And once that domain is purchased, then we can connect the site to Google Console. I just wanted to quickly touch on the different plans and pricing options. So you're aware if you are wanting to upgrade, since a lot of the SEO settings to actually fully complete it, you do need the upgraded plan, or you need to buy a domain, of course. So now they've got the Lite, the Core, the Business, and the Business Elite. So with the Lite plan is $17 per month. You get 2 collaborators, 2 gigabytes of storage, and the Lite marketing suite, as well as a free domain for 1 year. So that would allow you to finish the setup. Then they've got the Core plan, and this is $29 per month. With this, you get 5 collaborators, 50 gigabytes of storage, the basic marketing suite, free domain for 1 year, accept payments, and the basic e-commerce functionality. And then next is the Business, and this is $39 per month. And with that, you get 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes of storage, the standard marketing suite, and a free domain for a year. You can accept payments and the standard e-commerce functionality. And lastly is the Business Elite plan, and this is $159 per month. With this, you get 100 collaborators, unlimited storage, advanced marketing suite, free domain for a year. And then of course you can accept payments as well. And then you get the advanced e-commerce and developer platform. So what's cool is it can really grow with you. If you don't need all the e-commerce functionalities, you can start off with the light plan and then increase over time. They also do have a 14-day money back guarantee. They do have a free plan, but it has the Wix branding all over it. And again, for all of the SEO, you would have to have that upgraded to completely finish the setup. But again, figure out a plan that best fits your needs, and again, just allow it to grow with you is my recommendation. Before we wrap up, I wanted to quickly touch on the pros and cons. The biggest benefit is that Wix puts the key SEO tasks in one place and explains them in plain language. The checklist removes guesswork, the page settings are easy to fill out, and the built-in tools for mobile, speed, and images cover most needs for small sites. The links to Search Console and analytics are just going to help you see results without hunting for code. Another benefit is that you can tune every page without a developer, which means you can move fast when you release a new service or post. There are a few drawbacks, of course, and it can be tempting to chase too many keywords on one page, which just makes the copy vague and weak. You really want to make sure you keep each page focused. Apps and heavy design effects can slow your site if you pile them on, so just stick to what you need. Very advanced schema or custom crawl rules may still require custom code or a different stack. If you upload huge images or skip mobile checks, no SEO setting can make up for that. The good news is that all of these issues are easy to avoid when you follow the steps in this guide. So should you choose Wix for SEO? If you want a clear path and tools that make sense the first time you open them, Wix is a strong choice for SEO. It's well suited for portfolios, blogs, service sites, and local businesses that want more traffic from Google without hiring a developer. If you need custom code on every template, or if you run a complex content network, you might want a different setup later on. But for most small teams and solo owners, Wix gives you enough control to rank and the speed to publish now. I know SEO can feel like a lot, especially when you're starting your first site and every setting looks new, but you don't need to fix everything in one day. Set your titles and descriptions, clean up your URLs, write clear copy, add alt text, and connect Search Console. Those few actions will already put you way ahead of most sites in your space. If you want to get started for free on Wix, we do have that link down in the description below, and you can check out their SEO checklist yourself. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website with simple step-by-step tutorials so you can follow at your own pace. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.